everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is Jessica, and on the side I sell on Poshmark and Mercari for my little side hustle. If you are new here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to my YouTube channel. I would love to have you stick around. I make a lot of videos about Poshmark and how to increase your sales, and I talk about Mercari as well and how to increase your sales, use the platform, and all that good stuff. So if that is of interest to you, please do stick around and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And in today's video, I am going to be talking about a fantastic app and website called Canva. And I have been using this Canva for a little over a year now, and I absolutely love this app. You can do it on your computer, on their website, or you can actually just do it on an app on your phone. And I do have an iPhone, so I'm not 100% sure about Androids, but the iPhone does have this Canva app. Now I'm going to be taking you all over to my screen on my computer, so we are going to do it from the desktop version. I do have a laptop, but we're gonna do this view. Now I use Canva for a couple of different reasons. I used to use it a lot for Poshmark, which is what I'm going to be talking to you all about today, but I also use it for my YouTube thumbnails. I use it for my YouTube like the little header on my homepage of my YouTube channel. So if you have a YouTube channel, you can definitely use Canva. Even if you have an Instagram, you can use Canva, and it is a free app. It has free images. I have not paid a dime for anything on Canva. So I would highly suggest using this just for a free way to create content for whatever platform that you use, whether it's Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, Poshmark, whatever you use. Let's hop over to my laptop and we are going to go on to canva.com and talk all things Canva. Okay, now we are on canva.com, and it's simply just canva.com. Yes, it's that easy. And you have to create a login. You don't have to put any credit card information in or anything like that. And here is the home page. Now, you can see here it has like a little search bar, and you can look up anything that you want to post. So they have Instagram posts that has like the exact dimensions that you would need to create an Instagram post. It even has Instagram story option. You can create logos, Facebook videos, Facebook cover, Facebook post, presentations, YouTube thumbnails. There's so many different possibilities of what you can create on Canva. Flyers, everything you can think of, posters. So what I would suggest doing, so we're going to primarily talk about Poshmark right now. So as you know, Poshmark has a very specific size of what you can post on Poshmark or what you can list on Poshmark, and I would suggest using Instagram post and saving that to post onto your Poshmark closet. Now, the whole purpose of this and what I'm trying to get at is that you can have signs in your Poshmark closet. So for example, you could have, if you have a sale going on, buy two, get one free, or just simply a sign saying like, welcome to my Poshmark closet, whatever the case may be. This is a way to create that. So we're going to create one together. So I have Instagram post is what I would click on. Now it does give you the option to do a blank page, so you're kind of creating this from the ground up. You're really having that creative freedom to create whatever you want. Or they give you templates. I think the templates are really cute. I would suggest using the templates. So they have a lot of different ones, and it kind of gives you an inspiration on, like, if you have a fitness page, this is something that you could do. It's as strong as is the new beautiful, and it has fitness videos, exercise videos, pictures. And then if you just scroll down, you can go through and pick different templates that make sense for your Poshmark closet or your Instagram, whatever the case may be. And maybe you have an Instagram that you use to promote your Poshmark closet. You could use the same style. That way it's kind of going along with a theme for your Instagram and your Poshmark closet. So I just think it's a great marketing tool to use. I love this one right here. So this just gives you like the template ideas. Now, let's say that we want to use this one. You can actually, they give you photos, they give you images to change in here into the template. So you can actually upload your own image, or you can use images that they have. So for example, you could go to, where is it? You could go to photos, and then they give you all of these different options, and you could just search. So if I wanted to search fashion, I could just type in fashion, and then they have all of these different really cute like stock photos. And okay, so what you would basically do is just drag the photo into that spot. Now, the only thing that you need to, they can charge for photos. So there's a lot of free options, like right here it says free, and then there's also a little dollar sign, and it says this image can be purchased for only $1. So you can either use their free images, which they have, like this one's free, they have plenty of free images, or you can actually pay for the image. This one's free, and this one's free. So there's a lot of different options. Like I love this men's one right here. A lot of different options that you can use to create this post. And I just think it's such a great, like, I love their images. I don't think they're cheesy. Even the free ones I feel like are good. And it gives you a lot of different options. So that's one thing I would suggest doing if you want to create content for inside of your Poshmark closet to make a sale sign. So it could be something as simple as buy two get one free today only, or something like that. So it's an option for you if you want to create some type of sign, and then you could put like your Poshmark closet name here. And yeah, so I think it's really cool. I think it's a great opportunity for you to market in your Poshmark closet or your Instagram or whatever social media platform that you use. I love Canva. It is awesome in my opinion. You can also add elements. So there's a lot of free elements, and then there's also elements that you actually have to pay for. So as you can see, like some will say free. This one, I like to use this like shape one, and then you can change the color of the shape. So you could send this to the front, so it'll go in front of that circle. You can just change the sizing. You can change the color here. So if we want to make it like this color, or you can just create your own color, which is cool too. And it'll kind of change it in there for you. And then move that. So there's a lot of different things you can like play around with, but they do give you a lot of options. Like you can add this in there somewhere. And then, yeah, it's just like super cute. And again, you can pay for other images or icons or elements, whatever you like. But there is a lot of really cool, cute, free options too. Okay, so now let's say that we want to actually download this image. We like this image. It's good for our Poshmark closet. You simply just hit download, and then you can save it as a, like there's different options. PDF, JPEG, PNG is a higher quality. Then you would just hit download, and it's saying preparing your download. And then it simply just downloaded it right here for me. So let me just click on that, and then here it is. So I would suggest you can do this on your phone as well, but you could also like email this to yourself. You know, you can list from your computer too if you're on Poshmark, so you could just list this as well. But it is the correct size to fit onto Poshmark because Instagram size is the same as Poshmark's size to list. Like that square is exactly the same. That's why I would suggest doing the Instagram post size. So I just thought I would share this with you guys because I love it and I think it's such an easy platform and it has so many free options. My husband is starting to try to grow he has a drone business, and I created, so there's also templates that like save everything that you've done. So I have created some different things for him and like some flyers for him. Let me see if I can find it. Oh, so if you go to the home page and you hit all your designs, there's different designs. So like I created this one for him and I really like it. And it's basically, he's trying to promote that his first session for photography, he tries to work with realtors to help them take better photos to sell the house, which he has done a couple of them and did a really great job. But this is something that, an advertisement that I made for him to post onto his Instagram account to promote. He tries to do one free session for any new clients. So this is one for his Instagram. So it's just it's such an easy free thing. I feel like everyone should know about it. Even if you don't just want this for Poshmark, you can use it for anything. If you have even your work, like for my job, I have created flyers just for my events that I put on for my own job. And it's all free, so why not do it? And then, yeah, so there's like different inspiration here too. They have like, here's a great one. It says sale Instagram post, first session free. Yeah, like actually they used my wording, that's why. But as you can see here, like this is like food for maybe like a restaurant. It says it's a pizza party, breakfast buddy promo, just a bunch of different options. I absolutely love this, and it's free. I just can't get over that it's free. You can also upload your own photos. So let's say that you wanted to put something from your Poshmark closet into a template. You could do that too. So if you're posting on Instagram about upcoming promotions in your Poshmark closet or brand new items to your Poshmark closet, you can use these templates to create, here, let me just walk you guys through. Let's say that you want to post about 3 new items that came to your Poshmark closet. You could simply, we'll go back to this one. You could simply just post in here, new items listed, and then each photo would be a new item that you have listed in your Poshmark closet, and in the description you could write what each of them are or something like that. Yeah, so that is really all. I just really wanted to share this Canva with you guys because I feel like it is, if you're not using it, you should be. It's free, it's amazing, the templates are fantastic, and it doesn't just have to be for Poshmark. Like I said, it could be for anything in your life, really. Even like a baby shower flyer or a birthday party invitation or Christmas invitation. Like there's just so much you can do with Canva. I love it. I love it. This is absolutely not sponsored at all. It's just something that I've been using for over a year now, and I thought that I should share it with you all. If you do already use Canva, definitely comment in the comment section down below because I would love to hear about how you enjoy Canva and maybe what you use it for. Do you use it for Instagram, Poshmark, your own business? What do you use it for? I'm very curious because I absolutely love it. And then also, please comment down in the comment section down below your Poshmark username because I am trying to to continuously share people that are subscribed to my YouTube channel. It's kind of like my way of giving back. I would love for you to put your closet name in the comment section down below so I can share a few of your items with you and share the Posh love. But that is everything that I have for you all today. I hope that you enjoyed this video, learned something new, and start using Canva in your everyday Poshmark life. And give this video a big thumbs up if you did enjoy it. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already. I would love to have you stick around, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys!